today another new topic in human production. Maybe today the chapter will be completed. Human production will be completed. Right. Now, just you see this heading: major features of embryonic development at various months of pregnancy. Now see this heading. See the heading. First you understanding the topic. Name. What is the today topic? Name. Major futures. Major futures to who? Embryonic development at various months of pregnancy. Right. That means what is the duration of the pregnancy in man? 9 months. Among these 9 months, various months. That means first month, during first months, embryo shows which futures. During second month, the embryo shows which futures. Like this. Like this, we can discuss month-wise. Right. That is the major features of embryonic development at various months of pregnancy. Now, before to detail, right, according to NCERT book, 9 months for human being, that is the pregnancy duration. Dogs, 63 days, not 63 months, days. Elephant, 624 days, 624 days. You convert the months, it is more than human being. Human being 9 months, that is 270 days, it is 624 days. 624 days for elephant. Right, now come to the cat, 63 days. I think the elephant is the longest pregnancy duration in the animals. That is 624 days. It is given in the NCERT textbook. Now one by one. Yes. At the end of first month, good. Heart is formed in the fetus, in the embryo. Heart is formed at the end of 1 month, and also heartbeat will be. If the heart is formed, it will be stopped. The functioning of heart, we can listen by the sound, heartbeat sound by stethoscope. The doctor keep the stethoscope on the belly, not in the chest. Right. Now when pregnancy is confirmed, that pregnancy lady, when you visit the gynecologist, now the doctor take the stethoscope and keep the belly, on the belly, not in the chest, keep the belly, and he can listen the heartbeat sound of the fetus with the help of stethoscope. That is the start and end of the month. Like every month, among these 9 months, the doctor first check the heartbeat sound. If heartbeat will be sound, the fetus is normal, healthy. Right. The stethoscope is the instrument which is used for the hearing of heartbeat. Right. Now this is the first month, at the end of first month. Now at the end of second month, the limbs and diseases are formed. But the embryo shows the changes month to month. First of all, the embryo is not mass. There is no head, there is no limbs, just 1 month. First 1 month in like this. Now second month, some projections like this. Projections. Now this is the sub-projections. Projections and sub-projections. These projections, anterior pair of projections, this is called as limbs and disease. Limbs and disease. This is the projections. Small projections. Where these projections is there, right? They continue as the limbs and toes and fingers. Toes and fingers together is called as disease. Now this is the second. During third month, third month equal to 12 weeks. 12 weeks is equal to third month. Or first trimester. Tri means 3. Total duration of pregnancy 9 months. This 9 months you can classify as a 3 trimesters. First trimester, second trimester, third trimester. First to second, third months is belongs to first one. 4 to 5 to 6 to months is belongs to second trimester. 7 to 8 to 9 is belongs to third trimester. 3 months equal to 1 trimester. Like the pregnancy is having 3 trimesters. Okay, now first trimester or 12 weeks or third month, same, alright. The major organs and systems, excretory system, digestive system, like this, major organ systems are formed. As an example, limbs. Here the second month limb formation, just to projection, but at the end of third month, it is clearly formed limbs, right? The limbs and external genitalia. External genitalia. What is the male external genitalia? Penis. What is the female external genitalia? Vulva. That means at the end of third month, we can identify the sex of child. There is no identification of sex first and second month. Third month, the doctor detected it. Doctor see the scanning. With the help of scanning, the doctor see the external genitalia of fetus. External genitalia of fetus. If the external genitalia of the fetus is a penis, right, the fetus become male. If the external genitalia of fetus is vulva, that is called as fetus. That means sex is detected during which month of pregnancy? That is third. Right. Now probably fourth month. The fifth month. The fourth month is not given in the NCERT. Which is not given in the NCERT? Right. We should not discuss. Right. So first month, second month, third month, fifth month. The fourth month is not given. During fifth month, the fetus shows first two movements. Right. Now see the fifth month. Now pregnancy. Now it is a plus internal baby. Right. The pregnant lady, she can sense internal baby movements. So, right, when is mother pregnant lady, when she is sleeping also, that internal movement is there. That means some disturbance will be occur. So that is one type of sense. First two movements of fetus and hair formation of the egg. Right. Now come to this end of 24 weeks. 24 weeks means 6th month or second trimester. Hair formation takes place on the body surface of entire body. We are mumming. The hair is present on the head and also present on the entire body. Right. The skin is covered by the hair. This is hair formed on the head during 5th month. But next month, that is 6th month, at the end of 6th month, the hair formation takes place entire body. Now, just to keep, eyelids are separated. Upper eyelid, lower eyelid will be separated during 6th month. Eyelashes is also formed. Now, this is the as a major features of embryonic development at various months of pregnancy, month-wise. First month, what character will become. But in this 9 months, according to NCERT, 1 month at the mid, 1 month, 2nd month, 3rd month, 4th month and 7th month, 8th month is not given. Okay, let them Don't worry. If it is not given in NCERT, no need to discuss. Right. What is given in NCERT, that will be perfect. You should perfect NCERT. So this is the major features of embryonic development at various months of pregnancy according to NCERT book. First month, second month, third month, fifth month, sixth month. First month, heart is formed. Second month, limbs and tissues are formed. Third month, major organ systems are formed, and sex is also detected. Sex is also detected. External genitally. Fifth month, first movement of the fetus, and hair is formed on the head. Now this at the end of sixth month, hair is formed inside the surface of the body, and also eyelids are separated, eyelashes is formed. This is the major features of embryonic development in 9 months. Now come to the parturition and lactation. Another topic, parturition and lactation. Parturition and lactation. With this, the chapter will be finished. Parturition. It is a Latin word. Definition, 1 mark carried. The process of delivery of the fetus or the child is called as parturition. Delivery of the baby. Delivery of the baby or delivery of the fetus. This process is called as parturition. Actually, the parturition takes place in 3 steps. Before birth, birth, after the birth. This is the 3 important events in the parturition. Parturition is containing 3 stages. What it is before birth? Birth, after the birth. Now once again, what is the definition? Parturition, 1 mark is very important. The process of delivery of the fetus or the child is called as parturition. The parturition is a process, it is required some mechanism. It is not easy. Now, what it is? Fetal ejection reflex. It is before birth. This must be takes place during parturition. Now, what is fetal ejection reflex? What is fetal ejection reflex? Just listen. The fetus ejection reflex is the stimulate the delivery. It is a neurohormonal mechanism. Neurohormonal mechanism. That means what it is? It is very important. Keep concentrated. Listen carefully. Fetal ejection reflex. Without this, the baby not coming outside. That means just before coming to the outside, it is happening. Else, just before birth. Else, it is called as before birth. Now, before birth, that is fetal ejection reflex. It is one major event during parturition. Now, for in this process, nervous system and hormones both are involved. Hence, it is neurohormonal mechanism. Neuro means nervous system, hormones, endocrine mechanism. Now this mechanism, in this mechanism, nervous system and hormones are involved. Hence, it is called as neurohormonal mechanism. Now, how it is takes place. Now, be careful. Now, see the pregnancy lady. Now it is uterus. Now inside the baby. This is what is placenta. Just listen. Fully developed fetus. That means 9 months is completed. Fully developed fetus and placenta. placenta. These both give the signals to the brain. That means the brain receiving signals from fetus. Which fetus? 9 months or 6 months or 7 months? 9 months. That is fully developed fetus and also placenta. These both give the signals to the brain. Now, right, that means the brain receiving stimulus. Right. Now this is the reflex stimulus, not under control of our will. It is automatically going on. Right. These both give the signals to the brain. Now the brain give the order. A mild contraction of uterus. Uterus, you know, endometrium, myometrium, perimetrium. Myometrium is made with muscles. Mild contraction. That means a little contraction, not strong contraction. This is mild contraction. Right. Due to this uterus is undergoes contraction. So due to this internal some pressure is there. Due to the pressure, the embryo start to outside, coming to the outside. Due to pressure, the pressure is created by uterus. The uterus is contraction of uterus due to brain. The brain, when brain due to order to the uterus, when it receives signals from fully developed fetus and placenta. This is the cycle. This is called as fetal ejection reflex. Fetal ejection means come to the outside. Reflex means which is not under our will. It is autonomical. Right. It is mild contraction or strong contraction. Mild contraction. This mild contraction is not enough. Contraction is there, but this is the mild contraction is not enough. The ejection of fetus completely outside. Due to this fetal ejection reflex is also triggered. That means initiation to anterior pituitary to produce oxytocin hormone. See, now the brain give the signals, give the order, not signals. The brain give the order to uterus as a mild contraction or strong mild contraction, and also this fetal ejection reflex trigger the endocrine gland, anterior pituitary, that is oxytocin. This oxytocin releases from anterior pituitary through blood is enter and works on uterus. The oxytocin, first year I told you, this is the birth hormone which is works on uterus. With the help of oxytocin, with the help of hormone, now the uterus again somewhat increases contraction. Right. It is not enough. Due to this again, it is go to the reflection to action to pituitary. That means the reflex action between oxytocin and uterus continuous stage wise. Right. In this continuous, gradually the contraction of uterus becomes strong. But in single step, it is not become fully strong. Once again. Right. Actually, right. Pains, delivery pains. The mother, right, during this phase, during the parturition, right, she's experienced like hell, narakamu, right, second birth. Sometimes sometimes she faced the death also. It is not easy. Neuroendocrinal mechanism, that is fetal ejection reflex, right? Fully developed fetus and placenta give the signals to the brain. Okay, the brain receives the signals from fetus and also placenta. Again, the brain give the order, give the message to uterus for mild contraction. This mild contraction is not enough to complete ejection. Due to this, the fetal ejection reflection is also trigger to the oxytocin. The oxytocin is the releases from anterior pituitary and reach the uterus. The uterus undergoes contraction. That means gradually the contraction will be increases. Increases up to enough contraction which is come to the outside. This is called as fetal ejection reflex. Now, in this fetal ejection reflex, hormone is called as oxytocin. It's very important. Right. Now come to the lactation. Lactation. What is lactation? Right. During pregnancy, in simple, giving the milk to the newborn baby, giving the milk to newborn baby by mother through her mammary gland. This is called as lactation. But sometime during pregnancy, the mammary glands undergoes differentiation, development, differentiation, and start production of milk at the end of pregnancy. If the pregnancy becomes second month, the milk production is not stable, not production. During pregnancy, mammary gland undergoes differentiation and production and start the production of milk at the end of pregnancy and also after the children. This is called as lactation. Now come to the cholesterol. It is very important. Cholesterol. What is cholesterol? Right. Now I forgot one thing. Fetal ejection reflex. Just think. Fetal ejection reflex. Birth. The birth means coming to the outside from the female body. Okay, or uterus. Now what is this fetal ejection reflex? Fetal ejection reflex is before birth. That means it is a before. Fetal ejection reflex is a before birth. If it is completed, the baby is completed outside. After the baby is completed outside, I given 4 extra embryonic layers. It is uterus. Now it is a fetus. Now covered by the layer amniotic fluid like this. Right. Now most of the students, they are belongs to the agriculture family. You observe the a delivery of cow to calf. Right. అంతెందుకు ఒక ఆవు దూడ ఈగినప్పుడు దాని ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సర్ఫేస్ తడిగా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే దాని చుట్టూ ఆమ్నియాటిక్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆవు ఈగిన తర్వాత ఆవు ఈగిన తర్వాత జస్ట్ 5 నిమిషాల లోపల సమ్ లేయర్స్ వచ్చి బయటకు. దట్ ఈస్ ఆమ్నియాటిక్ లేయర్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది extra ejection of extra embryonic layers to outside is called as afterbirth. Fetal ejection reflex is nothing but coming to the outside of the baby is called as birth. After the birth, baby పుట్టిన తర్వాత ఒక 5 నిమిషాలకు ఒక ఆవు చూడండి, మీరు చూసే ఉంటారు. ఆవు ఈనిన తర్వాత మాయ వస్తుంది. అలాగా మదర్ డెలివరీ అయిన తర్వాత బేబీ తర్వాత ఒక 5 minutes లోపల విత్ ఇన్ 5 minutes లోపల బేబీ వచ్చిన తర్వాత లోపల ఉన్న ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎంబ్రియానిక్ లేయర్స్ బయటకు వస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ బర్త్. ఫీటల్ ఎజెక్షన్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బిఫోర్ బర్త్. రైట్. ఎజెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ చైల్డ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ejection of fetal ejection of extra embryonic layers is called as after. Now come to the right. Lactation. Right. Now parturition, lactation is over. Now come to the cholesterol. Initial milk, yellow colored milk. Initial milk of lactation. Right. What is this lactation? లాక్టేషన్ పాలు ఇవ్వడం, తల్లి బిడ్డకు పాలు ఇస్తుంది, మిల్క్ ఇస్తుంది, దాన్ని లాక్టేషన్. గివింగ్ ద మిల్క్ టు న్యూబార్న్ బేబీ బై మదర్ is called as lactation. What is the duration of lactation? Maybe month, maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year. It is a different from mother to mother based on health condition. But among these 3 months or 6 months or 1 year, first 3 days, initial means first, initial 3 days, the mother milk is yellow, right? In Telugu it is called as junnupalu, right? Milk is different from cholesterol. The milk is the food. The milk is the food for newborn baby. But cholesterol. What is cholesterol? Initial milk of few days. Initial milk of few days of cholesterol is called as initial milk of lactation in few days is called as cholesterol. This cholesterol is containing antibodies. 9 months, the child is highly protected in the fetus. That fetus suddenly is come to the outside. When it is come to the outside, now external temperature, pathogens is there. That means when the fetus is come to the outside, the baby exposed to the external surroundings, so many diseases will be infected. Right. That infections is prevented by mother's initial milk cholesterol because it containing antibodies. It is most necessary for the growth of fetus. Nowadays, the mother, even though in some cases the mother cannot give the milk, right? They can purchase the milk powder from the market. Okay, that is the normal mother milk is act as a food. But cholesterol is not a food. It is for resistance because it contains antibody. Hence, it is medicinally very important to the newborn baby. Right. Up to 3 years or 4 years, right. Immediately when the baby is come to the outside, when it is come to the outside, its immunity system is not functioning, is not maturing. Because you are a newborn baby, the brain and suppose for example you take the brain, nervous system. Newborn baby, brain nervous system is there, but no, there is no thinking. Similarly, immunity system is present in newborn baby, but immunity system is present but not functioning. Due to this, the mother milk, that is cholesterol, which containing antibody is helps to resistance it is helps in resistance surrounding pattern. Due to this, right, it is must doctor recommend the mother, you must give the colostrum to initial 3 days, at least 3 days to the baby. Right. After 3 days, the milk is not colostrum, it is not containing antibody. After 3 days, that is the white milk is white. That milk containing nutritive food qualities. Right. Right. Now the white milk, just listen. Milk. Suppose after 10 days, mother is giving the milk. This milk is having other compassionate, Forex, Cerelac, some other. But there is no other compensation to the cholesterol. There is no alternate to the cholesterol. But milk, some alternate is there in the market. Right. Cerelac, Forex is the other alternate to the milk. Due to this, the milk sometimes, right, the mammary glands of mother is not producing the milk. Don't worry. Due to the milk, the mother give the Forex and Cerelac and some other cow milk like other milk is. But there is no other alternate to the cholesterol. The cholesterol must be given by the mother to her young baby, because it is a medicinal and resistance to the number of diseases because it containing antibodies. Okay.